Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back. Now let's take a look at your gold for the day, for the next day, which is for the 16th. So those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So first of all, before you actually take any trade, you would want to know the trend for such move. Is it an uptrend move? Is it a downtrend move, or is it a ranging market move? As that is the three movements markets will give us. So what we are having on this gold is actually an uptrend move. That is one. You can also see that we've applied our 10 period simple moving average. We would want to know if it is below it or above it. So we can clearly see that this price is trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So clearly this is a buy movement. This is a bullish move. So all what we would want to do is just look for an opportunity to go ahead and take that buy move, right? So let's see this. Let's start it from here. This gold gave us an higher highs, and there was a pullback that was made there. A new ice was made, right? And there was a pullback, right? We had another ice, right? And there is a pullback. A new ice, another ice was made. And guess what? We had a pullback at this level. Now a new ice has been made there, and we had a little bit of a pullback. So this ice has been made. So one thing I want you guys to know for sure is that a pullback is coming anytime soon. I think once the pullback happens, then we can go ahead and take that buy movement. It would not be right for us to actually just jump ahead and take it because this impulse move up has already been made. Right. If you go ahead and take this buy, right, it means you need to have a wide stop loss because definitely price will give us a pullback before it's continue that uptrend move. So it will be best for us to actually be patient enough for the pullback to play out before we go ahead and take this buy. So if the pullback plays out when the market opens tomorrow, there's possibility the pullback will play out. We can see we are at a level that price has given us a reaction before. So we can see a reaction at this level, broke above it a bit. So you see a reaction at this levels here. Once price, kind of like dropped to this same level, we had, price rejected, went up before price dropped. So basically, we are at this level where price has once given us a reaction. So there's every possibility that price can actually give us a pullback at this level. So we should be very, very careful. There's every possibility that price, once market opens, we will have a pullback. So just be watchful. And again, price might not even give us a pullback. My price might actually push up further. But one thing for sure is that a pullback will definitely play out. So once the pullback plays out, that would be a good opportunity to go ahead and take your buy on the gold, for the day.